Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. I hope everyone's had a great couple of days, or nights, days, and ready for a great day. Whatever I'm trying to say. I never know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, non-farm payroll day. Hope you're ready to celebrate. Let's look at the market overnight, which was dipped wildly and then ran wildly. It's like our low in ES. 59.20 ran all the way up to 59.51. I thought it was bigger than that, actually. 31 points of range. NQ 179 all the way up to 372, so just under 200 points in range. Kappa all over the place, about mid-range now, and it has about only about 90 ticks in range. Ultra Bond kind of tight, about a half a point in range, a little more. Gold back about is back about 2,700. 18 points in range. Crude oil. Look at crude rising up over 2.5 points in range, all to the upside. Beautiful move up. Natural gas moving up as well. Bitcoin sitting under 95,000. That's where we sit standard, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. I got a 30-second chart up here, and we're going to be trading a top step account. So I should log into Top Step. It's stupid, it logs me out all the time. There we go. Morning, Amelia. How are you doing? This Top Step account that I'm going to be trading, I'm going to do what I did on Wednesday, trade 5 micros. This is a different account than either of the two I traded the other day. This one is right now sitting red for its lifetime by $1,063. It has about $930 worth of drawdown left. The goal for today will be to get it back to at least break even. Non-farm payrolls coming up in just 25 minutes. All ready for NFP. And then at 10 o'clock, we have University of Michigan Sentiment Preliminary. At an oddly specific time on the calendar, at 10:04, there's a Fed speaker. ATR under 5 right now, so not moving fast by any means. Y'all can hear me, right? Took our first trade of the day. Short. It's working downward. There we go. Spike there. Ooh, bounces back up on me though. Ah, dang it. I sure took the $50 profit. Looks like it's gonna knock out. Yeah, back down. Watching it. Don't like it. I'm out. One tick. A one tick winner. I should have got that right back in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That was the break I was looking for. Okay, well, dang it. Frustrated there. Having a beautiful win. Oops, sorry about that. Ooh, whips back up. We're whippy. Hey, thank you, Bull Bear. Always get, I always wonder when there's absolutely no one talking at all. Hits that EMA and bounces right back down. Morning, Reggie. How are you? Trying to break through. Doing good? Hey, Rod. Good to see you. Happy New Year, my friend. And coming right back down. I started the stream 15 minutes ago, but if you mean how long have I been streaming overall, over 3 years. NFP about 12 minutes away. Oop, I didn't have my finger on the button this long. Yeah, I did short earlier, but I didn't hold it, and then I got out and it went without me. And this one I missed. So we're gonna mark the ones that I should be taking. This is the one I took, but didn't stay in. You can see how that would have worked out. Then I missed this one right here. That could have got back in, and you see using the strategy I've been working on, that should have been about a 17-point trade. This blue one didn't work out, ran into the EMAs. There's no reason not to take this next purple right here, which could have been another 17-point trade. And I missed this one popping back up because I was opening a bottle of soda. It could have been a 10-pointer. So right here, just so far, in the last 14 minutes, I could have had 17, 34, 44, 45 points or so. Hey, Chris, how you doing? and back down we come. So you can see I never draw trend lines, but this is actually showing a trend line. Look at that. That's almost perfect. So next week should be interesting. First of all, we finally get a full week. Our first full week in 4 weeks, and then we don't have another full week after the next week. But anyway, on Tuesday we have PPI, and on Wednesday we have CPI. So three big events in 4 trading days. NFP today, nothing Monday, PPI Tuesday, CPI Wednesday. Just going to observe from now until NFP, I think. This little blue candle here is kind of tempting. Blue candle would have worked, at least somewhat. It's not that great, actually. Thought that was the 20th. Yeah, it's the 20th for Martin Luther King Day. President's Day is in February. Nice rise up here. Told you that blue candle is tempting. Yeah, Brett's a good guy though. Yep. Non-farm payrolls coming up. Good luck, Rod. 1 minute. Not really giving us any hints of where it wants to go at this point. Sometimes it'll give us a hint in the minute leading up, but let's see what happens. Here we go. Whoosh, go. Whoosh. Wow. 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 Bouncing now, but it went down 200 and 200 and a lot of points, 230 points or so. I agree. We haven't that's the biggest NFP I've seen in a long time. Well, I took a loss, took the long there. It didn't get hit my target, got close, and then came all the way back. Ah, darn it. I didn't get in when I should have. It did go up a bunch. Well, here's another chance. Maybe. 38 point candle. 44, 38, 35. It's all wonky. Well, looks like it might not be ready to go yet. Come on. I should have stayed out of this. Way late on what? I'm not in short. Nice. Rod. Yep, we're still coming down. What were the numbers? Actual 256, they expected 165. So it was actually a very positive number. Are we going to hold 21,000 now? It'll bounce. Little bounce. Nope, no bounce. So we oh on January 2nd we hit 2983. Guess that's our next support. Now we're rising up. See how that beautiful blue candle there right after this green line? Yeah, that should have been a nice win right there. I'm a little gun shy right now. That's okay. We'll get it. Rising up nicely now. See, I messed this up. So, oh, I'm already. See, I could just be trailing this right now, and I will be up 83 right now, going up 50 points. What did everything else do on this gold? Look, shot down, shot right back up. Ultra Bond shot down, China bounce, but look at that whoosh down. Copper, same. Everything whooshed down and then bounced. Crude oil didn't care. Not one iota. Yep, I mean, I keep doing that. That little purple candle there would have been my I should have entered there. Little tiny purple candle, and whoosh. Morning, Hassan. Nice, my Hassan. So it bottomed out at 0.45. It's made it almost 90 points back up. Now we have hit 100 points back up. Just think, folks, this is just a preview as PPI and CPI next week. Kind of hemming and hawing here around 135. Morning, Speed Racer. Well, we're taking a breath here. About 45 minutes till the bell. But Diaz just dropped the number of accounts you can have from 20 to 10. And they're talking about that they now will have a path to live. Nice pop there. I didn't trust that blue candle because it stayed below the 9, but there's the pop I was hoping for. Oops. And back down. It wasn't quick enough. That was my signal, and I didn't take it. You can see that was a mistake. Missing opportunities here. You see, this would have been a nice 30-point trade. Hey, cool beans. How are you? Been a while. Good to see you saying hi. I'm doing good. Straight up, are you gonna love me forever? Oh, oh, oh. Shut up. Let's see, gold. Wow, gold. That would have been nice. Wow. Yeah. Hi, JC. How you doing? Doing good? Doing good. Remember, folks, the take profit trader sale. 40% off, no funded setup fees, and refund on your first payout. ends Sunday night. I don't think they're gonna extend it so anymore. So if you're interested in that, you should grab it before Sunday night. We went long off that blue candle. It's hemming and hawing. It hit that 9, kind of coming back. There we go. There it's trying. It's hitting the 9 on the 1 minute chart now. Breaking through. There we go. There's one. There we go. Come on, come on. Pulls back. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's my target through 30 points. 106 to 136. Now, my technical strategy wasn't that, and we will eventually get to that. I want to try and get this count babying it a little bit, but JC, I believe so. I have not seen them not do recurring, but not 100% sure. But it's almost always recurring anymore. So I got out there, and this is what my actual strat is. So I was entered here, so my stop would have been here, and then I wouldn't have moved my stop for this. But then once this candle formed, it would have been there, there, and now see, I've screwed myself out of a lot of points because I got out at 136. It's now hit 152, and now my stop would be here or here. So that's okay. Actually, my stop right now would be where I got out anyway. So maybe that I didn't screw myself out. How about that? Never mind. I didn't lose anything because this would have hit my stop there now anyway. Well, actually, I would have got out after that first red candle, but still, not bad. Not bad at all. And thank you guys. Thank you, Amelia. Gold doing. Gold may have finally found a top pulling back. Maybe a double top with its overnight high. Hey, Platt, how you doing? Thank you. Should have grabbed that blue candle. I didn't. Look at it go. Oh, now. Look at it now. Oh, well, it kind of rejects now. Oh, now I look like a genius. Well, I went 10 points. I could have got 10 points. So I own a Top Step account today. Different one than the two I traded on Wednesday that went so well. This one started off the day negative 1,063. Uh, my goal is to get it back to break even today, if I can, at least. Right now it's red because of the loss I took on NFP, or well, not on NFP itself, but a minute afterwards. I'm red by $79 after that trade that I just took. So right now we're negative 1143 total in the account with about $850 in drawdown left on it. We're chopping around now. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Coming down. Coming back down. Those go up, come down, tried to get back up. This purple should have taken the wick kind of, maybe not one, two, falling again. There's our green line that's touching the Bollinger. Let's see what it does. Top of the hour, 30 minutes till the bell. Blue candle pop. Right along after that blue candle pop. All right. There we go. Boom. Boom. Target hit. Another 30-point trade. Now we're green by 216. Thank you, JC. Appreciate you letting me know that. I do believe this is the best strategy I've ever found. Nice beans. Yeah, gold really ran. I would have loved. Oh, it's back to running again. Look at that. They're trying to move a line that won't move. There we go. Thank you, JJR, Amelia. Appreciate that as well. Okay, we appreciate you. Gore that like button for me. Sorry about that. It's still the Christmas reminder. Gore, I'll get that fixed this weekend. Oh, just fell. 5 micros, JJR. Ooh, nice move up. Continuing up here. Look at that. Oh, I would find something to give away, Hassan. The most likes I've ever gotten in a day was like 50. We're trading in the range of 50 and 60. This stream doesn't even get 200 views in a day most days. So, yeah, 5 micros is what I'm using right now. So, what my goal is to get all the top steps into profit. Well, first of all, I have two that need to get to back to break even, then into profit by like 1,500 bucks. I actually, I screwed up big time. I had 5 Top Step funded accounts, and I was barely trading them, and I let one go inactive, and they took it from me. Now that one was really, really sick anyway. It was a good chance I would have ended up blowing it. So I actually need to get a Top Step eval and pass it so I can get that one on board as well. And I want to do 5 and start copy trading them with this strategy, assuming this strategy continues to work, and then just blow up Top Step and then go through if this strategy works like it's been working the last few days, then just go through Propfirm to Propfirm and get as much as I can from each one. Hey USC, how you doing? That said, we're still missing RJ. Hopefully he shows up today. I'm honestly worried about him. It's snowing here, USC. There's no business like snow business. Well, I'm loving this strategy. I'm absolutely loving it. Well, before Christmas, he was taking a trip to the Dominican over the Christmas break, and he thought he said he'd be back last Friday. Now I didn't stream last Friday, but still, he hasn't been here all week. I just I'm worried about him. This the strategy. Okay, it's basically, oops, keep unblowing up my chart. So of all the things I could possibly use, I'm using engulfing candles and I'm using Bollinger Bands. So yeah, if you see these green and red bars here, I'm looking for reversals here. So if you can see here, green, green, this green means it's touching the Bollinger Band. And then I get this blue candle up. Same here, got this green bar, blue candle up. Uh, Now here, I got this red candle with the red, and it didn't really work, but it would have been a small win, small loss if I got out there, whatever. That's the main strategy for the reversals. Just like here, got the green, came down with the green, and this will start this move up. Even here, now this was a little bit by chance, I think, but you can see here I got this purple candle, golfing candle in the where it's touching the band, and you can see here that was literally 90 seconds before NFP and it came down. Blue candle here, so that's the basis of the reversal strategy. The other one is just looking for reversals candles touching the 9 with momentum. So here, this would have been a signal, although I didn't like the wick at top, and just taking the blue candles that are touching the 9 and above the 9, and the purples that are below the 9 that are touching the 9. I'm trying to find, like here, this would have been a good purple. Here, that would have been a good purple. This would have been a good blue. This would have been a good blue. It's an adjustment. I mean, it's been kind of what I was using, but not. I wasn't really using the Bollingers, the reverse. I mean, I was using the reversal, but not. I was mostly relying on this RSI down here. And now I just use that as a guide, a little bit more confirmation. This is I added this indicator that gives these green and red shaded areas to let me know when it touches the band, and that really has helped me see these reversals. And right now I'm also using a 30-second chart instead of a 1-minute chart. It works on the 1 minute too. It works on the 5 minute. I actually am going to be using a 5-minute strategy on my funded futures accounts too. This red candle here would have been my strategy to take it. You can see it dipped. Actually, I mean, it dipped and came back up. And once it was back above the 9, I would have got out for a very small loss. This purple candle here, I thought about taking. I didn't like the wick. Obviously, it's working. I should just take every purple after a shaded area. That seems to work no matter what the wick or not. But that only gave me, what, 68 down to 54, 14 so far. Bounced back up. And then the other part of my strategy should be, but I haven't really added it yet, is immediately after the first candle, if it's a decent candle. So that one really wasn't a decent candle, but just moving my stop to break even. So, and then the trailing after each, boom, boom. So there I would have got out there because I was trailing after each. Dune, 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 dune. I think you can catch bigger moves that way. That really works on the 5 minute, the trailing, because you very rarely ever have a pullback that knocks you out on the trailing and then continues to go. Good morning, Ace. How was your weekend? Oh, no, wait. This is Friday. It wasn't a weekend. How was your day off? Hey, Morel, how you doing? Ace, still no signs of RJ. Guess I should email him. Yeah, there you go. Because I'm honestly, at this, earlier this week I was joking around about being concerned. Now I'm legitimately concerned. We are making money this morning. Got a furful. Concerned about RJ? RJ Wheelborough. He was taking a trip to the Dominican over the holidays. Was supposed to be back last week, and we haven't heard from him. Hey, he doesn't remind me the type to just quit and not tell everybody. At least saying bye. And I mean, or kidnapped in the Dominican. Still rising up. We have less than 15 minutes till the bell. Those of you who missed the non-farm payroll action, we had one of the best non-farm payroll reactions in a couple years as NFP caused the market to drop 130 points on 230 points on NQ. Yeah, exactly, AJJR. I couldn't see him unless that person that drives him around at times kidnapped him. Ah, there's another nice rise up. So we got all the way down. Our low was of the NFP movement all the way down to 0.45. We've recovered 150 points. Did NFP drop early? It started 2 minutes before. It was up here, dropped down, and then whooshy whoosh, and the funky bunch. I noticed that almost always, honestly, Platt. I haven't ever acted on it, and I might have to try starting. Reason I don't act on it is sometimes that candle can still be crazy, where it goes one direction for a quick 20 points and then drops or whatever. But almost always I'll get an engulfing candle, one of my blues or purples, a couple minutes before the event, and that would be the way the event goes. But I haven't actually like marked that out to make sure I'm not just thinking I'm seeing what I'm thinking I'm seeing on a consistent basis, if that makes sense. See here, this was my signal and I didn't take it. I gotta get used to taking most of these signals. I'm blowing up my chart. Right here, you can see this worked. Again, the first red candle here. The other part of that strategy, if Rod's still here, if anyone wants to know, is I don't like them if the candle would go all the way down to the 9, even if it gives me a signal. You can see I want them far away. The ones that are closer to the 9 tend not to work. Let me try and find one that can't find any. Like here, this blue candle went all the way up as close to a band, and that one really didn't work. See how this one didn't work. Nice bounce there. Oops, I'm sorry. I still had the top step X window up. I apologize. I try to only have that up because it gets in the way when I'm in a trade. I forget to turn it off. Kind of sideways here. Sorry about that. Got distracted for a minute. Oops. Down we come. Good question. Uh, Thinking up, but I don't know. I don't play that. We'll find out in a minute. Blue candle here. Now this would be a trigger, but not now. But again, here back in this last red shaded area, this first red candle, or even the second red candle, but would have led to this move down 188 down to 155, so over 30 points there. Well, now it's popping up before the 5 minute A925, so now I don't know. Uh, Down it comes. Trying to pop up. Ooh, red. I dug a blue candle to the last 3 seconds or so. And right back down. We candle pop. Fortunately, it's 90 seconds till the bell. Oh, 2 minutes. Yeah. Big pop, 20 points. Should have trusted it. Look at that. I see NQ rising. We got rid of the Christmas bells too this weekend. Oh. What to do when you get a purple candle on the first opening 30-second candle? That's the question. For me, I'm going to stay flat, especially since that's now a 27-point candle. Short worked. It's okay. So we got up to 197. We've already dropped 60 points. 90 seconds. Whoosh. Reggie, I think you insulted it and got mad, so now it's like bounce. Oh, I'm late. I'm in. Long. Struggling on those EMAs on the 1 minute chart. I'm out. So 8 points there. Ooh, looks like I made a good decision. The bad decision there was not just getting in with my signal. I should have just got in with the signal. I got in 10 points late. And here it's coming back up. Along. There we go. Up, up, up. Stopped at break even. Yeah, it's going to come down and nail me. Yep, got out break even. That sucked. I actually got a point out of it, but ouch. Ooh, wow. Fake rejection. NQ dropped 240 points. Glad to see you, John. Yeah, best, biggest NFP we've had in a long time. It's gonna be interesting to see what PPI and CPI does next week. Long, struggling at those EMAs on the 5 again. Out. 3 ticks. Dang. At least they're not losses, but still. That was probably stupid of me. That one went 20 points. Yeah, that was really stupid of me. I gotta start taking. I'm trying for bigger moves than I should. Those two 30 point trades I got earlier spoiled me. But a reminder, Ace, today's Friday. I've been forgetting the days and the dates with all the holidays and then having an extra day off and so this was the trade I should have taken, this purple candle. I didn't. You can see it would have led me to the promised land. And we just broke 20,100 again. That pop back up. Nope, there it goes. This fall, our low from earlier, oops, was 0.45. Oh, big blue candle. We're long. Ooh, we're gonna get hurt. We're gonna get hurt. It may not work out. That was too close to the 9. That was a misread on my part. Let's see what happens. Might still give it to me. Yeah, big time. It was a lot. It was a lot better than it was supposed to be. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get back all my profit on this trade. It looks like. Oh, maybe not. There's a bounce. Come on, bounce back up for me. Ace trade. Stop telling the women to take things off. There we go. Now I'm back in the green. How about that? I thought for sure I was done. Ah, yeah, I wasn't watching. I should have got out there again. I was watching the 1 minute charts, the 30-second. Ouch. Now I'm gonna take that stop. Now I'm only up 26.80 on the day. Dang it. That was bad trade management. That's I need to put my and look at that bounce back up. Look at that. Okay. So my problem is there is I have the 1 minute chart on the top step X window and I have a 30-second chart that I should be following on the trading view window. So I need to change my thing to a 30-second on here. There we go. Other mistake there on that trade was I did not move. Once I got this green candle back up, I should have moved my stop to break even, and I didn't. That was really bad trade management on my part, all the way around. Nice job, JJR. All right, Ace. Ace is going to catch a bus. Blue candle pop. Big pop. Wow. Oh, you might know. You know what? I'm probably blocking some of this. Come on, go, 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 go. And I don't like big candles, and I should have probably stayed away from this one. Or maybe I should have not stayed away from it. Go, go, go. Struggling. Struggling at the top. 130 flushes down again. Ouch. Coming back. There we go. I'm going to take it. Hits the band there. Oh, that was a good decision. Ended up like a 5 point trade, but I'll take it. Let me see what my stream looks like. I'm still cutting off there. I'll work on this setup over the weekend as well, so you guys can see both charts. Do that. That works. Oh, look at that rejection off the band. I didn't take it, but look at that red candle. I mean, red shaded area, purple candle. Wow, there would be a 30 point trader. Dang it. Yeah, it's the only thing about the 30-second chart. All I was doing was adjusting the way people could see the charts on the stream, and I missed that trade. Nearing low at day. Kind of got within 2 points of it and trying to bounce. Bounce fails, new low at day. Now the question is, will it hold 21,000? We're in a green shaded area. Oh, look at this. Off that purple candle, if I had taken it, that's a 100-point trade in 2 minutes. Well, watching for a bounce here, green shaded area. But I want a convincing bounce. That's convincing if it holds. Got 10 seconds. What was your entry on that short, Hassan? I'm late on this trade, big time late. Go, go, go. Not going. Crap. Yeah, no, I was just curious where you entered on that. If it's if it's a pain to look up, don't go searching for it. I know you're on a bus or a train or an office or somewhere in New York, like kid from Home Alone. Ah, it's that EMA snaps back. So I'm out again, a one tick winner. Well, my winning percentage is going to look wonderful because there's all these one tick winners. I gotta remember to take those. It gets to the nine there because I got in at 36 and nine was sitting. I got again it would have been 20 points. I think as one of the problems with micros is it kind of distorts how much you're making. 20 points in this trading stupid right now. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you doing? Nice, Hassan. No, none of Bukando trying to form here. Nope, good either way. Taking the blue candle. Needs to get through the nine. There. Go, go, go. Ah, out. 7 points. Probably shouldn't have got out. I probably should have moved to underneath that candle. We'll see. Yep, there's another blue candle forming. Right back down. Low of the day now 21,010. Nope, RJ is still missing. And rejects it down, kind of choppy here. We have news coming up in 5 minutes. University of Michigan sentiment preliminary. Choppy. Oh, pop. No problem, JJR. Wow, look at that pop. Nice, crap. Good job. Yeah, I hate big candles. Messes up the chart. Nice, Amelia. News in less than a minute. Ooh, just broke 21,000. Wow. Yes, you did. Nice. Wow, still falling. Wow. University of Michigan sentiment 73.2 and they expected 74. Doesn't seem like that big of a miss, but maybe. I don't know much about that University of Michigan sentiment report. Still falling. Wow. So we just broke through what we saw on January 2nd, and there we are now lower than we've been since November 27th. Still hasn't found the bottom. Well, maybe. That's trying to bounce. Nope, still falling. Wow, look at that. Down to nine. Now we just hit a point lower than that November target, but it bounced there. Not target, but we're long. Come on, just go. Just go for me. There we go. Boom. Putting putting the target at the 9 EMA, but it's back down to my. Eh, there we go. Back up. Now. There we go. Coming back up. Oh, struggling. Come on. There we go. Ooh, ouch. It tried. Oh, here it comes back again. Darn 9 EMA. Out. Small loss. No. Five tick winner there. Wow. 5 tick winner, and yep, I got it at the right spot. And it is. Today's the day we're going to zero. Blue candle. Nope, went away. It's 895. So our high today was 372. So it's dropped 400 points from the high. JR. I missed that blue candle. More wick than body, and yeah. Hey, look at that. Gives it all right back anyway. Wow. Yeah, put your chart upside down. Wow. Another fall. New low a day, 874. Ooh, wow. That was a snap up. Think we're kidding, JR? It's not working. Hold on. There. You can turn your chart upside down on TradingView. There it is. There's the chart upside down. Now it looks weird with the purple candles and the blue candles, but you can revert your chart. Oh crap! I'm in the wrong one. I don't know if there's any other platforms you can do that with, but I know with TradingView you can. Yeah, that was a high or low. Came down, came up, came down. Now, so we're longing on this blue candle if it holds. Ah, you're waiting for the nanos to be released. We're long. I don't want a lot out of this, I don't think. I mean, I'll take what it gives me, but there it goes. Ah, spikes down. I'm out. 10 points there. We're back up to being up 235 on the day. Yep. Now it tricked me out. Again, if I was doing the way I should, I would have just waited until this candle closed, moved my stop up to there, been break even, and then, but that's okay. All right, Kritikam, good job on the day. Whoosh. So we hit a low of 874. We're already back up by about 70 points. Still rising. So I was right on this blue candle, and I should just, you know, exits is still a problem for me, figuring it out how long I should try and let it ride. Let it ride. Ooh, wow, sorry. I did not even mean to let that belch come out without muting. I apologize. Caught me by surprise. Pulls back here. Ooh, purple. Hmm. Things that make you go, hmm. Nope, bounces. Excellent, Hassan. Just don't put the coffee in the PS5. It usually doesn't work that way. Oop, not kind of like that purple. If it holds. Ooh, I didn't really like that purple anymore. That not when it was wicks on both sides and ended up so far being right. Trying another purple. See you Monday, Chris. Have a great weekend. You play PS5 too, Amelia? Took a short there, but not working. Oh, big time not working. Wow, where'd that come from? Ouch. Just took away most of my profit. Wow. That was a bad short. That I should have never taken that purple candle. I misread it, and I mean, I didn't expect that, but wow. That was just bad entry. Frustrated with my trading today. I mean, I'm still slightly green, but this should have been much better. I hate that. Have a great night and great weekend, Rod. See you around a little more. Excellent. Good way to go in the weekend. Unless you've been exposed to toxic materials that turned you green. That would kind of suck. Now we're trying to short here. Much better read there, I think. I hope. Maybe not. Oh, there it goes. 'Doesn't want to go. $1.2 million now, Ace. Stopped out. Now we're red. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Really? There we go. Come on, break. Nope. Bounces. Ouch. Wow. Now we're really right. Well, was a good day. I don't listen to myself though. Should have put my stop at break even and just let it do whatever it wanted to do there. Instead, I took the full stop. Still a crappy trader. Then I didn't take the blue candle up. That would have worked. Still a crappy trader. 30 minutes left in the stream. Come on, get through that 9, will you? Wow, really? Another bounce off the 9. Come on back down. There we go. Come on. Ah, hit the 9 again. Come on. Ah, good. Fine. Nope, it's going to stop me now. This is the most frustrated I've been with trading in a while. And here it comes right back down. Wow. Market going to screw itself. – That 9 EMA is a wall. Rising up. Oh, how are y'all doing? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Low was 874. Let's hit 075, so we recovered 200 points. That's the purple candle I didn't take, and that's the one that's probably going to work. It's giving me another chance. It didn't work. Wow. Okay. Have a great weekend, Crypt. So I will say this was a mistake using the 30-second chart just this time. The 1 minute chart would never put me in any of those shorts I just took that went bad. Except for maybe one right there. relentless. See you Monday. Have a great weekend, Ace. Bounces back up. Wow. Back above 21,100. Hmm. Finally, a nice move down. Fortunately, I sized down to 3 micros. Also, this be a much better win. Wow. Gonna just take it there for a $200 gain. Real quickly, I want to look at the 1 minute chart. See on the 1 minute chart today, this is, I looked at the 30 second, I looked at the 1 minute, I've been charting them out. The 30 second was better. Look at this 1 minute. That was beautiful in the 1 minute. And it wouldn't, the other stuff that got me in trouble, it would not have gotten in trouble in. Let me just look at the 5 minute. Here's our 5 minute chart today. There was an indication there again on the 20 minutes before the purple candle that would have led to our thing. You can see here, this would have a 64.5 minute candle that really didn't pull back much. We could have got a win there. This purple candle off the 9 on the 5 was good. as was this one, although that one didn't, that one would have gone 50. And then this was perfect. So the 5 minute would have really been a nice, and now, right now, the 5 minute is kind of sending a signal. We'll just see what it does. Maybe I just need to have three NQ charts up 30-second, 1 minute, and 5 minute. Now, look at this. If I had used my strategy of just trailing this, and I didn't because of the fact that I went deep red trying to play it. Look at this. I would still be in this trade now. My stop would be there at 37, and I was in this trade. I originally jumped in this trade at 10. No, wait, 80. No, 10. Why can't I see that? It's still going. Hold on. 21,103 was my entry. So right now, trailing this, my stop would be at 024. So I would be 80 points in right now. It looks like that's where it's going to stop me out. And I missed this green candle. So that would have been an 80-point trade for me if I followed that strategy. So I got to get better at that too. So again, here, and now this worked perfectly. So this purple candle worked perfectly. And then you see the green shaded area right here. First green candle, and look at that. Perfect. For 20 points, 20, 30 points. So I need to look at this and figure out what I did wrong on this move up. Well, I can tell you right now, I can see one of the things I did wrong on this move up is I didn't take any longs. Blue candle worked, blue candle worked, blue candle worked. All these are touching the 9. Touch, 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 touch. Worked. This one didn't work. Notice it wasn't touching the 9. This one worked. Touching the 9. Touching the 9. Touching the 9. Touching the 9. Have you noticed a trend? Touching the 9. This one didn't, but look at that wick of little body. That was my mistake. I totally threw out the other strategy I used, and that could have been compensating for my idiocracy of trying to catch the reversal. And this was also a trigger right here, and I didn't take it. So I was I started doubting my strategy there when I kept taking those losses. The strategy works. I just wasn't reading it well. But yeah, purple candle there. That's the with momentum. Strat, and it just shot from 20. What my entry had been 22 down to 995. So it could have been a 20-point win as well. I push up here. Blue candle, I don't like it where it was, right underneath the 9. Wow, and I was right. Back under 21,000. Probably a good idea, Hassan. You've had a great day. Probably a good idea, Hassan. So I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll be back here Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Have a great weekend and the rest of your day. We'll see you then. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,